Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your trusted source for in-depth automotive reviews, detailed specifications, and feature breakdowns of the latest vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid, a sedan that continues to set the benchmark for reliability, efficiency, and modern technology. With an updated design, enhanced hybrid performance, and cutting-edge features, the new Camry Hybrid is designed to offer a premium driving experience while maintaining its reputation for fuel efficiency and longevity. The exterior of the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid receives a refreshed look with a sleek and aerodynamic design that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a dynamic presence on the road. Toyota has introduced new color options for buyers who want a personalized touch, and the available 19-inch alloy wheels add a sporty element to the sedan's profile. The sloping roofline contributes to its coupe-like silhouette while maintaining the practicality of a four-door sedan. The redesigned rear end features sharp taillights and a subtle spoiler, giving it a more aggressive stance. Inside, the Camry Hybrid offers a refined and tech-focused cabin with high-quality materials and a modern layout. Soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery options, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the interior ambiance. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that integrates the latest Toyota multimedia interface, providing wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. The digital instrument cluster displays real-time driving data, while the available head-up display projects key information onto the windshield for added convenience. Heated and ventilated front seats ensure maximum comfort, and the dual-zone climate control system maintains the ideal temperature for all occupants. A panoramic sunroof enhances the feeling of openness inside the cabin, making every drive more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid is powered by an advanced hybrid system that combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver a smooth and responsive performance. The hybrid powertrain is designed to maximize fuel economy without compromising on power, providing an optimal balance between efficiency and drivability. The electric motor assists with acceleration, reducing engine strain and improving overall fuel consumption. The continuously variable transmission ensures a seamless and quiet ride, making city commuting and highway cruising equally comfortable. Drivers can choose from multiple drive modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, to customize their driving experience based on road conditions and personal preference. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Camry Hybrid is equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert enhance awareness, making highway driving and parking safer. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of the surroundings, while parking sensors assist in tight spots. The updated driver attention monitoring system detects signs of fatigue and alerts the driver to take a break if necessary. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the convenience and entertainment experience in the 2025 Camry Hybrid. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates to keep software up to date with the latest enhancements. The available premium audio system delivers an immersive listening experience, and multiple USB-C ports ensure that all passengers can keep their devices charged. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot keeps everyone connected on long journeys, while the voice recognition system allows for hands-free control of navigation, media, and climate settings. The integrated navigation system provides real-time traffic updates, helping drivers choose the most efficient routes. Practicality remains a strong suit of the Camry Hybrid, offering a spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The trunk provides generous cargo space, and the 60/40 split folding rear seats allow for greater flexibility when transporting larger items. The hands-free power trunk makes loading and unloading more convenient, especially when carrying groceries or luggage. Interior storage solutions include a wireless charging pad, deep cup holders, and a center console with a large storage compartment for personal items. Rear passengers benefit from dedicated air vents and available heated seats, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Driving dynamics in the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid are refined, with a well-balanced suspension system that absorbs road imperfections while maintaining precise handling. The electric power steering offers responsive control, making city navigation effortless and highway cruising stable. The regenerative braking system captures energy during deceleration, recharging the hybrid battery and improving efficiency. Toyota has fine-tuned the chassis to deliver a more engaging driving experience, ensuring that the Camry Hybrid remains enjoyable to drive while prioritizing comfort and fuel savings. The low center of gravity enhances stability, particularly during cornering and lane changes. Sustainability is a key focus for Toyota, and the Camry Hybrid continues to lead the way in environmentally friendly driving. The hybrid battery is designed for long-term durability, and the vehicle incorporates recycled and eco-friendly materials in its construction. With lower emissions compared to traditional gasoline engines, the Camry Hybrid contributes to reducing the environmental impact while providing the practicality and reliability that Toyota is known for. Toyota's hybrid technology ensures that owners benefit from reduced fuel costs while enjoying a cleaner and more efficient driving experience. For those looking to personalize their 2025 Camry Hybrid, Toyota offers various trim levels and optional packages to enhance the sedan's features. The higher trims come with upgraded upholstery, a larger touchscreen, and additional driver assistance technologies. The sporty XSE trim adds aggressive styling